Hello, Stevie here, and I like to make things for people who need supplies. Here are my shops: junk journaling, collaging, books, lots of purging going on there, and my original vintage shop. So, I was woken up by a squirrel digging at my house, and so I got up and I finished up the envelopes, and even, let's see, put real buttons on a couple of these. This is a digital kit in my Etsy shop, Stevie Goes Digital, and I just fold these in, and see, a little button there. Actually don't want to do anything with them yet. I'm gonna let them dry a little bit longer with those. I just love these tiny ones that I'm gonna put with miniature junk journals. And this is kind of a stash of different sizes of envelopes. And then all the scraps from doing the edges of these, I sat down and made a bunch of scraps for clusters, I thought, but I don't know now. Don't know if I'm gonna do clusters or sell this as a little pack of ready-made scraps to make things with. So I think instead of doing that, I did a lot of work. This took me quite a while because I edged all of them, and yeah, that took me a little bit of time. So I think I'll just try and sell them in a little pack in my Etsy shop. Scraps glued over paper. So you can check them out there. And other things will be going into that shop very soon, since it's now basically Q4. And thank you for watching. I will see you in the next one. Bye.